The Grand Canyon is indeed a very big hole in the ground. It is 277 miles or 446 kilometers long, up to 18 miles or 29 kilometers wide and more than a mile deep. It is the result of constant erosion by the Colorado River over millions of years. The canyon's climate is semi-arid, with some sections of the upper plateau dotted with forests, while the canyon bottoms are a series of desert basins. More than 1,500 plant, 355 bird, 89 mammalian, 47 reptile, 9 amphibian and 17 fish species are found in park, according to the National Park Service. The Grand Canyon is divided into the North Rim and the South Rim. The South Rim is open all year and receives 90% of the park's visitors. The South Rim has an airport and rail service and is also close to many transportation hubs and the Arizona cities of William and Flagstaff, as well as Las Vegas, Nevada. The North Rim is located closer to Utah and has stunning views, but is not nearly as accessible as the South Rim. While only 10 miles separate the two rims if you could walk across the canyon, it is only reachable by hikers who tackle the 21 miles of the North and South Kaibab trails, or those who travel 220 miles by vehicle. Once you arrive at the Grand Canyon, you might need to park your car and take a shuttle bus to get around. Grand Canyon West is closed to private vehicles and operates a hop-on, hop-off shuttle around the park, while certain parts of the South Rim are only accessible by bus. A shuttle service makes the 4.5-hour trip between the North and South Rims. It's particularly handy for rim-to-rim hikers. The North Rim is fully open to private vehicles. One fun alternative way to arrive at the South Rim is via the Grand Canyon Railway, which runs from the town of Williams, Arizona, into the heart of the park, allowing for a half-day of exploring before returning in the afternoon. For thousands of years, the area has been continuously inhabited by Native Americans who built settlements within the canyon and its numerous caves. The Pueblo people considered the Grand Canyon in Hopi a holy site and made pilgrimages to it. Garcia López de Cárdenas, an explorer from Spain, was the first European known to have viewed the Grand Canyon. As a member of the 1540 expedition of Francisco Vázquez de Coronado, he led a party from Cibola, the Zuni country of New Mexico, to find a river mentioned by the Hopi. After a 20-day journey, he was the first white man to see the Colorado River and the Grand Canyon. Outdoorsman, advocated for the preservation of the Grand Canyon area and hunted and took in the breathtaking scenery there on numerous occasions. However, it was a long journey for it to become the 15th national park. The Grand Canyon National Park Act was finally signed by President Woodrow Wilson in 1919 and it was considered a major milestone by conservationists. The National Park Service, established in 1916, assumed administration of the park. One popular attraction is the Grand Canyon Skywalk, a horseshoe-shaped glass walkway that is 4,000 feet above the canyon floor in the Grand Canyon West area of the main canyon. Since opening in March 2007, about 300,000 visitors have walked the Grand Canyon Skywalk each year. Most visitors to the Grand Canyon fly into Las Vegas or Phoenix. There's also a small airport in Flagstaff, just an hour from the South Rim, and some North Rim travelers fly into Salt Lake City. No matter where you land, you'll need to rent a car, as public transit is extremely limited in this part of the U.S.